Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into how to use the Grok-3 AI chatbot in 2025, breaking down its features, setup, and best use cases. Let's get started. Getting started. To access Grok-3, head to the official platform or app, sign in with your account, and choose between the free or premium plan for advanced features. Key features. Grok-3 offers real-time responses, advanced reasoning, and deep contextual memory, making it great for research, coding, and general assistance. Best ways to use it. Productivity. Automate tasks, draft emails, or generate reports. Creative writing. Brainstorm ideas, improve content, or refine text. Learning and research. Get instant summaries, explanations, and insights on various topics. Final thoughts. Grok-3 is a powerful AI assistant for work, learning, and creativity. Whether you're a student, professional, or just curious, it's worth trying. Let us know how you'd use Grok-3 in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI guides. See you next time.